that one there, and thank you for bringing in the droids. It's so handy if any of this malfunctions. Welcome to Savi's workshop. We're so excited you found us. These are the gatherers that will be assisting you to build and vote. You may call me Kenbay. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, but all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Let me assure you of something. Some of this is new junk. I'll explain more, I promise. We call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged systems. What we find, we bring in here, so a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter. Those who know see priceless history. For in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes?
Yes.
Good. We hear now there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Rey.
Indeed, Rey, a scrapper just like us. And what Rey, a young scavenger from Jakku, what she's now leading. That is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber. Wielded by our greatest heroes and most feared enemies. Elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. This evening you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking, so shall we begin? We'll start with the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The colour of the crystal determines the colour of the saber's blade. We've seen these in the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal, favoured by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Master Qui-Gon Jinn, Padawan Ahsoka Tano, Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful, very rare crystal, favoured by powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the Crystal of Power, favoured by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes. Picture your kyber crystal in your mind. Which color calls to you? It is likely the crystal is choosing you. Good, open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. Builders, carefully place those crystals into that green crystal holder on the workstation in front of you. It's now time for you to prepare the construction of your hills. So first, the gatherers will be placed before you. Selection you previously made, and from there, You will select the precise components that will then comprise your unique lightsaber. I'll just tell you quickly what those pieces are. You'll see the chassis. On the inside are activation plates. We'll select 2 of the 4 grips before affixing a blade emitter and then a hollow cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers and I are here to guide you through every part of this process. So builders, let me ask you something. Are you ready? Yeah. Excellent, then let's build.
Alright my friends, let's get started. Go ahead and grab your chassis. Now, on your chassis, notice these cool lines. These lines are going to face up towards the ceiling. So notice the top side here, the bottom side here. You're going to notice this gap right here in the middle. That's where your kyber crystal is going to go. So go ahead and grab your kyber crystal. Now, it can be quite difficult to get it in, so you want to take your index finger like this, put it on the back side of the chassis, and use both your thumbs to push it up and into place. Once inside, it's going to glow like so. Now, this is the hardest part of the build, so if you need any help, just let me know, okay?
Regarde-moi.
The other way. Might be your chassis.
Activation plates. They come as a machine.
Ici, c'est ce que je vais de lequel. Là,
These two or these two for me?
See the inside.
Would you do these two or these two for me?
Here. Là.
So it's red
Comment tu
touching
mets?
red, blue touching blue.
Do these two or these two? On the inside of those switches, you're going to see blue and red squares, and on the side of the chassis, you're also going to see those blue and red squares. The blue square will go on top of the blue square, the red square will go on top of the red square. The goal is to cover up the kyber crystal. Right there. On the inside right there is your red.
Ok. Tu m'as dit
Two favorite out of these 4 here. Choose your 2 favorite out of these 4. That one? Yes. Do you see this piece right here? That thicker copper piece, towards the middle, and then twist on already tight. This.
Tu mets ça où? Tu mets ça où?
And then just twist it on already tight.
Glisser la partie métallique qui doit venir vers.
Righty tight.
Non, non.
The other way.
Faut tourner, mais faut d'accord.
Tiens, vas-y. L'autre côté, l'autre côté, l'autre côté. L'autre sens, l'autre sens.
Oh, et
The other one's on the bottom side.
Ah oui, d'accord. Vous glissez bien ensemble. Si ça n'arrive pas à glisser dans la sélection,
Righty tight.
This one, other side.
There we go. Alright, now choose the emitter, just the very top.
On the top.
And twist on.
Regarde-moi, il donne.
Alright, choose your emitter, just the very top.
Just begin to catch, and that's all you do. Nice.
Ça, c'est en dessous de ça.
How's it feel? It's kind of crystals.
On attend. On attend là.
Alright, now you're gonna do that final piece.
Ils sont lourds, hein. And the last one.
That's all, you got all those parts. Let me see real quickly. Alright, when Kenbei says to activate, push up like so. Deactivate, push down, okay? How do you feel? Good?
J'ai pas compris. J'ai pas compris.
on n'a pas les mêmes morceaux.
Ah non.
Si, sauf là.
Alright, activate, deactivate. Listen for Kenbei's words.
These are immaculate. How do they feel? Terrific. Which color crystals are there? Blue. Yes, indeed. Will be wise. What did you put in yours? Sleepy eyes. They're ancient jewels. Which color crystal did you put?
Et du coup, à tout le monde en fait.
Il y a peu de gens qui prennent des classiques. Tout le monde prend les jaunes, les blancs,
My friends, these hilts are absolutely magnificent. What fine work. May I say congratulations. I'm now going to break your hearts by asking you to leave the sabers for a moment. Could everyone take a giant step back? Only for a moment, that's a beauty design. Which colour crystal did you put in? Key acumen blade. Perfect. This next part, I have to say, is the most dangerous in our entire construction process.
Et donne recul pour que madame passe.
Skilled team of builders will very carefully and meticulously prepare your hills for their first activation in these special chambers. Now, are you ready to take your first steps?
Et donne recul, recul.
What is that?
Many parts thereof now join the arm. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forever forged. In a moment, I'll ask the builders to take a step forwards and place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber. On my signal, you will activate them for the first time. Builders, are you ready? Now move towards your sabers, my friends. Place a hand on that activation switch and activates. Good.
Ok.
And raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the inevitable two Sith before you. Like them, you could change the galaxy. It only takes a spark. Deactivate the sabers.
Complete. Like you when it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin.
Tiens-le.
May the force.
Tu le rallumes pas.
Builders, in your hands, you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect the sabers, we're pleased to offer a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is now at an end. Yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. You are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And next time, we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate. Still the spire.
Still the spire.
Privilege.
Vers le haut.
First to lead us back to the elements. So set.
Bien.
Congratulations. Saber, my friends.
Thank you.
Beautiful lady. Congratulations.
Have a nice day. On peut la prendre. Prends-en une chacun. Ben prends. Ben là. Thank you. Avance, avance.